Good morning students. Welcome to the geography class of class 7th. Today we are going to start a new lesson. It's lesson number 12 in your book Australia, a case study of sheep rearing. Topics to be discussed in this lesson are: number 1, its introduction; number 2, areas of sheep rearing in Australia; number 3, conditions required for sheep rearing; number 4, key features of sheep farms. Sheep rearing is a form of animal husbandry. What is animal husbandry? It is a branch of agriculture concerned with the animals that are raised for meat, fiber, milk, egg and other products. Milk, wool, meat, hide are obtained from sheep. Australia is one of the biggest producer of wool in the world, accounting for almost 70% of the world's supply of merino wool. Merino is the breed of sheep which give high quality of wool. The wool produced by the merino is the softest and of the fine quality. Sheep rearing in Australia is an important economic activity. Students, you have to take out page number 126. Australia, officially known as the Commonwealth of Australia, is a country comprising the mainland of Australian continent, island of Tasmania, and numerous small islands. It is the largest island and the smallest continent in the world. It is also known as the island continent. Australia is the 6th largest country in the world. It lies entirely in the southern hemisphere. Australia is rich in various resources which widely depend on the amount and the distribution of rainfall. Most prominent trees of the Australia include eucalyptus, cactus, wattle, etc. The flower of acacia is the national flower of Australia. In this chapter, we shall study about sheep rearing in Australia. Sheep rearing refers to the raising and breeding of domestic sheep, especially for their meat, milk and fiber. Sheep rearing is a branch of animal husbandry. Sheep rearing is an important part of Australian economy. Sheep are reared both for the wool and meat. The wool industry in Australia is widely recognized for its finest quality of merino wool. In 2001, Australian wool production accounted for 9% of the world population. However, by producing 50% of the world's merino wool, it dominates in the fine quality of wool production. As the sheep can survive in the dry season, so they are mainly reared in the areas where the annual rainfall is about 40 cm, and they can survive on short grasses. Next, we will discuss the areas of sheep rearing in Australia. The main sheep rearing areas are the Murray-Darling Basin, coastal areas in Western Australia, Victoria and Queensland and New South Wales, whereas the important wool markets are Sydney in New South Wales and Melbourne in Victoria. Next is conditions required for the sheep rearing. For sheep rearing, cool in the dry climate is required. Sheep rearing is more practiced with the area having the low temperature and less rainfall. Number 2, the mountainous area. Number 3, large grasslands for fodder. The quality and the production of the food depend on the quality of the grassland. These grasslands are called downs in Australia. Number 4, skilled labor, capital and big sheep farms are required for sheep rearing. Conditions required for sheep rearing. Number 1, cool and dry climatic conditions are best for sheep rearing. These climatic areas are highly suitable for wool sheep. Number 2. The rugged mountainous areas having short and the poor pastures are suitable for the rearing of sheep. Number 3. Thinly populated grassland areas provide best grazing facilities. Number 4. Skilled labor, capital and big sheep farms are also required for the sheep rearing. Key features of sheep farms. Number 1. In Australia, the sheep farms are called sheep stations, which are quite large, covering the thousands of acres. Number 2. The sheep stations are divided into number of fields by proper fences. These fields are called paddocks. There are about 2,000 to 3,000 sheep in each paddock. Number 3. Each sheep station is owned by a family. It is like a modern self-contained village with facilities for all its residents. The owner's residence at the sheep station is called homestead. Number 4. These stations are usually run with the help of paid workers. These are called jackaroos. They attend to the injuries of sheep, mend fences to protect the sheep from getting lost or from other wild animals, and also take sheep from one paddock to another when there is a shortage of grass and water. The sheep shearing season starts in the early summer or spring. The farm stations usually have sheds where the sheep are sheared and the wool is stored. What is sheep shearing? Sheep shearing is the process to remove the wool from the sheep. To remove wool from the sheep, the electrical shearing machines are used. The experts are hired to shear the sheep. After the shearing, the wool is graded according to its quality and pressed into bales. Here, the word bales means bundles, to make the bundles or the packages of the wool for shipping. About 95% of wool is exported to other countries by Australia. Mutton is also exported by the country. The main wool trading centers are Sydney and Melbourne. Let's inquire. Cattle rearing. The rearing of cattle is also an important industry in Australia. Cattle are reared for the beef and the dairy products. Unlike sheep, the cattle are reared in regions of higher rainfall and the dense natural vegetation. About 70% of the cattle are beef cattle and the rest are dairy cattle. Australia is one of the largest exporter of dairy products and also the leading exporter of beef. The beef cattle are reared mainly in Western Australia, Queensland, New South Wales and Victoria, whereas the dairy cattle are raised in the wet plains of Southern Queensland, Northern Territory, New South Wales and Victoria. As the dairy cattle need good pastures and the temperate climate. The main ports used for the export of beef are the Brisbane port, Cairns port, the Darwin port. Most of the meat and dairy products are exported to England and other European countries. Students, this was all about sheep rearing in Australia. Thank you and have a nice day.